Say you're leaving on a 7:30 train and that you're heading out to Hollywood. Girl, you've been giving me that line so many times it kind of gets like feeling bad looks good. That kind of loving turns a man into a slave. That kind of loving sends a man right to his grave. Dave, what am I reading here? Are you frigging kidding me? Aerosmith? I studied literature. Please don't give me this mediocre chart stuff from the 90s.
Okay. Sorry. Please continue with the next piece. Let's get this done today.
You used to call me on the cell phone late night when you need my love.
You know that rock and roll, it will never die.
I know when that hotline bling. That could only mean one thing. Every time I left the city you
Got a reputation for yourself now. Everybody knows that I feel left out. Girl, you got me dying, got me straight out.
know. Why you never alone? Why you always touching road? Used to always stay at home, be a good girl. You was in the zone, yeah. You should just be yourself. Right now you're someone else. 'Cause ever since I left the city, you started wearing less and going out more. Glasses of champagne out on the dance floor. Hanging with some girls I've never seen before.
Make it a bit more emotional.
You used to call me on the cell phone. Like so.